Can you turn $1 into $1,000 day trading binary options? Well, today we're gonna find out. There's actually thousands of videos on YouTube claiming that you can turn $1 into thousands, or even win 100% of your trades.
Stop the cap.
And if you haven't seen one of those videos, then you've definitely seen one of those forex gurus on Instagram, Twitter, or any social media that look like this.
Hey, bro, you heard of forex, bro?
Nah, I wear a medium.
Nah, fool, the app, fool, you can make money off your phone, bro. Changing money and shit, bro, for real.
These forex day traders are showing huge profits, making claims that they can change your life, you can work from anywhere, and that you can make money in your sleep. Basically that you can get rich quick. And it's just too tempting not to try. So today we're gonna find out, are binary options the next way to get rich quick, or will you lose everything trying? But first, let me catch you up on what day trading is. Day trading is when you buy a stock, currency, or cryptocurrency and sell it within the same day. Either you buy shares because you believe the price will increase, or you short shares because you believe the price will decrease. But today we're focused on binary options. Binary options are simple. It's a yes or no trade. You decide whether a market is likely to be above or below a certain price at a specified time. Let's say you have $1 to invest, and the current payout for the option is 90%. If you believe the price of this currency will be higher than its current price in 1 minute, you will put a $1 call option. Now, if the timer runs out and the price is above the original price when you bought, you will be netted $1.90. But if after that 1 minute timer finishes and the price is below, you lose the full $1 you put in, leaving you with nothing. So after a few demo accounts and hours of watching, I decided to look for a beginner binary option strategy. So I found this YouTuber by the name of BLW Online Trading. He's verified and he's been trading and testing strategies for years. So the strategy we are going to use is completely analytical. So the trading platform we're going to use is Quotex. The reason for Quotex is because they have a small deposit, they don't require documentation, and we're trying to make money as fast as possible. But I strongly encourage you to wait to the end of the video because there's a twist. So now that we understand day trading, binary options, now it's time for us to put our strategy to the test and see if we can turn this $1 into $1,000. Right, so we're looking at Euro US dollar. We just had a crossover, and as you're supposed to, you want to enter in the trade or the candle after the chart, after the crossover, which would be the candle we're in now. And at that point, you make your first investment, and I have it on a 5-minute time period for $1. So I'm gonna make my first trade right now. So look, first trade in. As you can see, my live account went down to $9. We'll check back in 5 minutes. And let me give you a tip from somebody that's done this. Don't just stare at your chart for 5 minutes. It'll drive you insane. Go do something else, have something up on the side, check back in 5 minutes. Because at this point, there's nothing in your control that can happen. You've already done all you can do. So as you can see in the top right for payout, right here where I'm hovering, our first trade was a success. And as you can see, the live chart is indicating from where we entered to where it's currently at. First trade and our live account shows 1090, where we started out as $10. So $1 entered, we got 190 out. First trade down. So 1 for 1, 100% strategy so far, you know. So look, I'm not gonna get too excited because we could lose the other 9. Now, little did I know, those words were the beginning of the end. Now, after our first trade that I just showed, we made 3 more trades. The second we lost, and the next 2 we won, putting our account at $12. This currently puts us 3 for 4 on our trades, which isn't a bad start. But after a few days of trading, staring at charts nonstop and waiting for my signal to enter a trade, and only making a whopping $2, what I noticed changed this whole video. We got scammed.
Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Not scam likely, scam for sure. We got scammed. And I couldn't believe it until I looked up reviews and started doing some digging on the platform. We got scammed by Quotex, the platform that we were using. And let me explain why. The first thing I did was start doing some Googling and researching, and one of the websites that I found was a website called Chainbits. They educate people on finance and platforms that you can use for financial investing. This is the first message that I saw when I clicked on the link for Quotex platform. But that's only one of many issues. The next thing that I noticed is over the weekend, they still allow you to trade on their platform. The reason that's a problem is because if you go on MetaTrader, which is a widely used platform for foreign exchange traders and investors, over the weekend, they won't let you enter trades. The currency price stops completely. You can't do anything. On Quotex, on the other hand, you can still trade. The price continues to fluctuate, And that just means that they're creating and making up and manipulating the charts so that they can continue making money over the weekend. Even if you Google search a price for a currency over the weekend, it completely stops. It stays stagnant, nothing changes until the day or the time when the market opens back up. Next, there's a difference in price and charts on their website versus other websites that are more credible. For instance, the one that I noticed was the Canadian dollar versus the Japanese yen. On the left is a chart from Quotex and on the right is TradingView. The chart literally goes in the opposite direction. The candlesticks literally go in the opposite direction, and on top of that, there's a difference of $1, which is equivalent to 100 pips for this particular pair. And if you know anything about foreign exchange, that is night and day. They're literally manipulating the charts and ripping people off if you put in trades on a currency thinking that their platform is credible and legit, and you're just gonna lose money immediately. Now, to top it off, I did a little more digging, found some reviews from different websites about quotex. So I'm gonna read some of them off real quick. They're changing candles in real time. Their charts are different from TradingView. Candlesticks are managed by their teams. I can't withdraw money, and these are just a few, but there are tons more. We currently had $12 in our account. On the website, it said it can either be $10 or $50 when you try to withdraw. But when I tried to withdraw, it said that I needed $500 in order to be able to withdraw successfully from my account. Man, that is literally a $450 difference. Now, because of everything that I found, and the fact that I couldn't withdraw my money, I just said, F it. And we just started randomly trading large stakes of my account. Now, luckily it was only a $10 investment, but mind you, had I put in $1,000 or anything more than that, that would have been a huge loss on my part. So we immediately went from $12 to $1. I lost everything. I lost everything. Surprisingly, we went back up to $4, then to $7. And then I blew my account and we were at 39 cents.
What do you want to tell Joe Biden right now? What's up, baby?
Not even $1, 39 cents. So to recap everything, the strategy itself wasn't bad. The strategy was good. Granted, we didn't have a large enough sample size. We only had 4 trades. We won 3 of the 4 before I realized that we were on a platform that was unregulated and taking our money. Second, stay as far away from Quotex platform as possible. Forex itself and binary options are not a scam. It's the platforms that you use and the people that you connect with that can scam you. So you have to choose those platforms that you choose to trade and invest on wisely. And lastly, I enjoy doing these challenges. I take my time making this video, and the challenge and the idea of doing $1 into 1,000 is, I like it. It's challenging and it's really fun to watch. So if you all want to see more content like that, let me know in the comment section. I'd love to do the challenge again on a different platform, still doing binary options. So if you have a better platform, recommend it below and I'll try it again. But that's the end of the video. Hope you all enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.